Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Savvy Startup. Today, we're going to talk about banking, credit cards, and payment processing and why they're important to run your business. Here are some points as to what these do for you. Having a separation of personal and business finances. It helps establish a dedicated business bank account and helps maintain clear separation between personal and business finances. It also facilitates accurate accounting, tax reporting, and financial transparency. Professionalism and credibility. Having a business bank account reinforces professionalism and credibility to clients, partners, and investors. It also demonstrates a commitment to operating a legitimate business entity. It creates access to financial services. So, business bank accounts offer access to a range of financial services tailored to business needs. Services may include business loans, line of credits, and merchant services that all help you essentially have access to doing more with the options available to you. It also enables expense management and tracking. So, utilizing business credit cards simplifies expense management and tracking. It also enables businesses to monitor spending, categorize expenses, and generate detailed financial reports. And then, lastly, it creates good cash flow management. So, access to credit cards allows for flexibility in managing cash flow and covering unexpected expenses. It also helps maintain businesses' operations during lean periods and when awaiting your receivables. Establishing and utilizing bank accounts and credit cards are fundamental steps in building a strong financial foundation for your businesses. They provide essential tools for managing finances, enhancing credibility, and facilitating growth. So embrace these financial resources to support your business's success and longevity. So, what are payment platforms? Payment platforms are digital tools that facilitate transactions between businesses and customers. Examples include PayPal, Stripe, Square, and others. They provide secure and convenient processing solutions for online and offline transactions. So, cash and checks are becoming outdated. Consumers now prefer digital payment methods for their convenience and security. Businesses need to adapt to this shift to remain competitive and meet customer expectations. Hey, Tim, tell us something about merchant accounting and processing.
Hey Imran, yeah, that's great, man. And let me jump in here real quick. I'd like to explain a little bit more about what is merchant processing. Okay, we're talking about payment processing, and a lot of our clients and their customers are collecting revenue, sales from merchant processing. So their customers are using their credit cards and debit cards and placing orders, and that's how we're collecting those funds. So um, Stripe, Square, etc. Those are awesome platforms, but they are not something that you should just limit yourself to. Okay, if you're a business owner, you have to be smart about this. This is just we've seen some horror stories with our clients in the past that have relied on just one merchant account to handle all of their customers' transactions, with debits and credit cards. So if you rely on a single merchant account, what happens when there's some chargebacks and maybe you're using Stripe and Stripe doesn't like that day and they put you on 100% reserve, meaning none of the revenue that they're collecting through credit cards is going to get deposited into your account until Stripe says it's okay. And that could be days or weeks or months from now. I've seen it happen. It's an awful thing. Luckily, our clients are always prepared and they have backup merchant accounts. We like to call them that. So what, what I'd like to do is just share my screen and show you a website that we put together that helps companies help diversify their accounts receivable from different payment processors. Okay. These are, if you go to savvycfo.com/merchants, we put together a really great resource where folks that are business owners can come in and they can just, they can scroll through some of these different providers and apply for an additional merchant account. Just put in some of your information and boom, sign up. And then you're on your way to, a company like Easy Pay Direct, working to, help go guide you through underwriting and get you approved for a new merchant account. A lot of these brokers are going to allow you to use what's called an NMI gateway. Okay, so that allows you to use multiple different merchant accounts with automation. And one of our main CRMs that we use does not allow for NMI gateways. So we created a product that will do that automation for you if you use the CRM Infusionsoft or Keep. If you do, come to thesavvycycler.com/keep, and you can take a 14-day trial, watch our video, and you'll be able to use multiple merchant accounts and send daily volume to each one, keeping them all happy and probably allowing your business to really grow and accelerate on an accounts receivable side.
Thanks, Tim. That was great. Okay, so why use payment platforms? Well, several reasons why you should do that. Let's talk about a few good reasons and key points on that. First one, security. Well, payment platforms offer robust security measures to protect sensitive financial information. They're convenient. Streamlined checkout processes improve the customer experience and reduce friction in transactions. Global reach, access to a broader customer base by accepting various payment methods and currencies. Integration. Seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, websites, and point-of-sale systems for efficient operations. And lastly, analytics. Gives you insights into customer behavior, transaction patterns, and sales data to inform you of business decisions. So what are the benefits to businesses for using all these? So number one, you're going to like this, is increased sales. They're offering multiple payment options to your customers, including popular digital wallets and credit cards and debit cards, can boost your sales. Well, you're just giving them more options to pay. Reduce cart abandonment rates through simplified checkout processes. Enhanced customer experience. The convenience and security of payment platforms lead to higher customer satisfaction. Personalized shopping experiences through integrated loyalty programs and targeted promotions also help with that experience. Improved efficiency. The automation of payment processes saves time and resources. Seamless invoicing, billing, and reconciliation for smoother financial management.
Imran, these are really great bullet points. I love them. And let me just hop right in here quickly and summarize this up. Basically, I just want everybody to know, like, listen, you're the business owner. Everybody's looking at you to be the leader. Okay, so you must be organized, especially when it comes to your finances. People need to be able to see that you're organized with your banking and collecting payments from your customers. And the things that Imran was teaching in here, I think, are critically important for your success. So you got to look the part to the employees in your company and to vendors who you're building relationships with, and especially your customers. Trust me, they'll see right through it if you're not organized and you're not doing things the right way.
Yeah, so those are great points, right, to take you to the next level. Continue watching the rest of the series here to just help you build a strong business and take you to the next level.